This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, a navigation system, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, 3-point rear seat belts, and it's easy to see why this vehicle is an excellent choice. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.